Welcome to Worthixa, where smart money decisions create a better future. If you're working hard every day but still feel like you're not getting ahead financially, you're not alone. The truth is, it's often not about how much you earn. It's about the money habits you repeat every single day. In today's video, we'll uncover 5 common money habits that quietly keep millions of Americans from building real wealth. The good news? Every one of these habits can be changed, and by the end of this video, you'll walk away with practical strategies you can start using today to take control of your finances. So let's get started. What if I told you that millions of hardworking people stay broke? Not because they don't earn enough, but because of 5 simple money habits they repeat every single day. The truth is, becoming wealthy isn't just about making more money. It's about making smarter decisions with the money you already have. If you recognize even one of these habits in your own life, don't worry. Today, you'll learn how to change it before it costs you thousands of dollars. Let's get started. Habit number 1, living beyond your means. Imagine earning $5,000 every month, but somehow, at the end of every month, your bank account is almost empty. Sound familiar? This is one of the biggest financial mistakes people make. Many people increase their lifestyle every time their income goes up. A better car, a bigger apartment, more expensive clothes, more online shopping, more eating out. Instead of saving or investing the extra money, they spend it. And the worst part? Credit cards make this habit feel completely normal. Swipe today, pay later. It sounds convenient, but over time, those small purchases turn into large monthly payments. Interest starts growing, debt keeps increasing, and suddenly, you're working hard every month just to pay for things you bought months ago. That's not financial freedom, that's financial pressure. Wealthy people don't try to look rich. They build assets first. They understand that looking successful and actually being financially successful are 2 completely different things. Before buying something, ask yourself one simple question. Do I really need this? Or am I buying it just to impress someone else? That one question alone can save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Remember, your future self will never regret the money you saved, but you may regret the money you wasted. The second habit is something almost everyone ignores, until one unexpected emergency completely changes their financial life. Let's talk about it. Habit number 2, not having an emergency fund. Now let's talk about the second habit, not having an emergency fund. Most people don't think about emergencies until life forces them to. Your car suddenly breaks down. You receive an unexpected medical bill. Your laptop stops working. Or worse, you lose your job. The problem isn't the emergency itself. The real problem is being financially unprepared, without savings. Many people immediately reach for their credit card, or they borrow money. That one unexpected expense quickly turns into months, or even years, of debt. An emergency fund gives you something much more valuable than money. It gives you peace of mind. Imagine knowing that no matter what happens, you already have enough money set aside to handle it. That confidence changes everything. Financial experts often recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. Now, that may sound overwhelming, but remember, you don't have to save it all at once. Start with your first $100, then $500, then $1,000. Every small step matters. Treat your emergency fund like a bill you owe yourself every month. Automate it if you can. Even saving a small amount consistently is far better than saving nothing at all. Remember, emergencies are never scheduled, but your preparation can be. Transition. Now here's another mistake, one that silently costs people thousands of dollars over their lifetime, without them even realizing it. Let's talk about your credit score. Habit number 3, ignoring your credit score. Now let's talk about something that many people ignore, until they need a loan. Their credit score. Think of your credit score as your financial reputation. It tells lenders how responsibly you've managed money in the past. A higher credit score can help you qualify for lower interest rates, better credit cards, and even lower insurance costs in some situations. A poor score can make borrowing more expensive. Sometimes it can even limit your financial options. The good news? Improving your credit score doesn't happen overnight, but small, consistent habits can make a real difference. Pay your bills on time. Keep your credit card balances manageable. Avoid opening too many new accounts at once, and check your credit report regularly for mistakes. Remember, a strong credit score isn't about impressing anyone. It's about giving yourself more financial opportunities in the future. Habit number 4, buying things to impress other people. Let's be honest, we've all done it. Buying something. Not because we truly needed it, but because we wanted other people to notice. The newest phone, a luxury car, designer clothes, expensive vacations. Social media often makes us feel like we need to keep up with everyone else, but appearances can be misleading. Many people who look wealthy are actually struggling with debt behind the scenes. Real wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about having financial freedom. Before making a purchase, ask yourself one simple question. Am I buying this to improve my life or to impress someone else? If the answer is the second one, take a step back. The opinions of others are temporary, but financial peace of mind can last for years. Choose freedom over appearances. Habit number 5, never investing. The 5th habit may be the most expensive one of all. Never investing. Many people believe investing is only for the wealthy. That's simply not true. Investing is one of the ways ordinary people can build wealth over time. When your money sits in a regular savings account, inflation can reduce its purchasing power over the years. Investing gives your money the opportunity to grow. The earlier you start, the more time compound growth has to work in your favor. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Many investment platforms today allow people to start with very small amounts. The most important step is getting started and continuing to learn. Remember, time in the market is often more important than trying to perfectly time the market. So let's quickly recap. Stop living beyond your means. Build an emergency fund. Take care of your credit score. Stop buying things just to impress other people. And start investing for your future. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight. It happens through small, smart decisions, repeated consistently over time. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more practical money tips that can help you build a stronger financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.